I'm Eric with Wilderness Auto Service in Maple Valley. Watch our new videos and I'll be back in a moment.
Whether you're sitting in your driveway or stranded on the roadside, having a car that won't start is a nerve-wracking experience. YourMechanic.com shares 3 common areas that can be investigated if this happens to you. The first area involves testing the battery and starter. To investigate a dead battery, first turn the key to the on position. Then turn on the car's headlights and check their brightness. If they are dim, then the vehicle may have a dead battery. It's time to get it jumped back to life or replaced. The second is the fuel and fuel pump. Sometimes the gas gauge shows more gas than you really have. Add a gallon of gas to the vehicle to see if it starts. That's the easiest way to check. The third possible problem is a problem with your spark plugs. Check by opening the hood and locate the spark plug wires. Use a spark plug socket and ratchet to remove one spark plug. If the white porcelain is cracked, or if the spark plug gap is too large, then the spark plug needs to be replaced. If you find any of these 3 are not the problem, then let us help get your vehicle back on the road. Come see us.
With all the crazy stuff going on in the news, isn't it nice to have something you can depend on? Wilderness Auto Service and Chevron and U-Haul have been here in Maple Valley at the same location for over 40 years. You can depend on us for expert auto service and repair, and you can depend on us for quality Chevron gasoline, and you can depend on us for a friendly smile. Here yesterday, we'll be here tomorrow. That you can depend on. Stop by.